Green Rhino. We're at our second job of the day. Showed up a little early, finished up our first job really quickly. Really nice some of the times, but when you can't really get into your next spot till they actually scheduled it for. Kids doing some online schooling, so you know how that works. So anyway, I'm doing a little video on basically professionalism, just doing that little extra when it comes to presenting your business and asking for those prices that are going to give you a good living. Prices that you only have to do 2 to 3 jobs a day to make $100,000 a year. So just having your van looking professional. I'm not saying mine is the most professional, isn't, but it is organized and a lot better than some people's. So I got everything hanged up here. I got my Roby sprayer hung up there. Everything I can hung up and off the floor. I like having a lot of clear area in the floor so I can fit my equipment in there without banging up upon each other, and just it looks nice and organized. Put my vacuum right there. Nice little fit for it. Keeping everything clean, I do a detailed clean on my van once a week, and sometimes more depending on the week. So just have my courtesy door here. I use it. I don't use it so much as I thought I was going to, but as the winter months come around, it's definitely going to be great for keeping that cold weather in or out. And got my hoses around. We already pre-sprayed. We're doing the first half of the front half of the house now, and then the second half later, because they're doing some homeschooling, like I said. So Aaron already pre-scrubbed everything. I already pre-sprayed. You can tell he's got the multi-wash in there. I got the caution right there because the tiles get wet, right? People come out and don't know the tile's wet and slip. That helps out. And yeah, so this carpet's in decent condition. There's few areas, living conditions, but other than that, a little traffic area here. Easy clean. Hallway is probably the worst of it. Yes, and just letting having a good app. I have a House Call Pro, and lets the customers know when I'm on my way, finished, and even give them a chance to give me a review, which is awesome. You never have to really ask. You just send a finish. You hit the finish button, and automatically lets them know that you're finished, and gives them the opportunity to give me a review. So that does really well, and really grew me a great reputation in my community in a short amount of time. So keeping everything clean. I'm still organizing all the time, trying to get the best out of my space, because I don't like clutter. And I used to have my wand going across there. No, just right there. Simple. I hang my hoses up here. I'll do it after. I'll continue at the end of this video. I'll show you everything put away. So keeping the van clean. A little dirty right now, dirtier than I'd like. I'd like to be a little cleaner than this, but it's not bad. My hoses are clean. They get dirty, I spray them down. Professionalism, guys. You want to separate yourself from, who cares what other people are doing? If they're not wearing company shirts, collared shirts and stuff, then that's them. If their equipment's all dirty, unorganized, that's them. But if you want to set yourself aside and ask for the prices you deserve, well, you need to do that kind of stuff. All right, so Aaron's waiting on me. I gotta get to work. Paint it on her. Yeah, and I forgot to talk about those. Those right there give me so many compliments and repeat customers. You have no idea. So that right there was a dry straw. I cleaned it and then I went back over it. A lot of companies don't do that. That means wetter carpets, longer drying times. One of the #1 complaints from customers. So add that.
I flip around and go, yeah. Like he said.
Another little thing you do sets you apart. Customers value that. And another thing, you don't really want to set wood and other things, metal objects on the carpet when they're wet. You could do some color transfer or rust. Beautiful. So we also leave shoe covers for the customers before we leave, so they can put them over their shoes and walk around until it dries. All right, so we're all finished up. Customer's happy. Carpets came out perfect. Wasn't really that bad in the first place, but you know, nice homes, they really take care of their stuff. And yeah, and got everything situated in here. So if a customer walked up here and looked at the back of my van, odds are they're going to be pretty impressed, except for that. What is that? Oh, it's a poor flower that killed. That's not good. Just do those little things and it goes a long ways. It goes for repeat customers, and you cannot live off new customers. You have to build your business on a repeat customer basis. That'll make you longevity, and yeah, a lot of work. All right, see you in the next one.